Good morning students. How are you all children today? I hope you all are good at your home. Dear student, once again I am here, your teacher, to make you learn maths. And in maths today, let's continue learning of comparison. Okay students, are you ready to learn today? Yes. What is the meaning of comparison in Hindi? तुलना करना. Okay? How to measure. Understood? So today let's learn and understand about more or less. Okay students? What is our topic today? More or less. Say children, say with me. More. Say more. More means in Hindi अधिक. Okay? या फिर कह सकते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. Understood? And less means कम. In Hindi, कम. Now, let's learn with the help of some pictures. Okay, students? Now, look at the board. So, my dear students, now, let's see these two pictures. Okay, now in a stand, two baskets are here. And inside that basket, some fruits are kept. Okay, now let's count the fruits and about their numbers. Okay, so start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, here in the first basket we have 5 fruits, okay, or 5 mangoes. Now let's see the next basket. Now you see here, start counting. 1, 2. Here we have how many mangoes? 2 mangoes. Now you say which basket is having more fruits or more mangoes? The first one. Yes, correct. The first one, because the number of mangoes are more. Okay. Now you understand? M-O-R-E, more. Now 5 is more than 2. So children, 2 is less. यहाँ 5 mangoes है, यहाँ 2 mangoes है. Okay. 5 mangoes अधिक होते हैं. किसके सामने? किसकी तुलना में? 2 की तुलना में. Okay students. So 5 is more, 2 is less. Okay. Which basket is having more number of fruits? First basket. Okay. And less number of fruits? Second basket. Here 5 is more and 2 is less. Let's see the next example. Now you see the next example. Yes children, these are two picture of fruit juices. Okay. Now see the level or the quantity of juice inside the glass. Yes children, which glass is having more fruit juice? First or second one? Now you have to observe carefully. Okay children, you have to observe carefully. Now look at this glass. The level of juice is this much. And look at now second glass. The level of juice is only this much. So children, which fruit glass is having more juice? First one. Very good. So you have to say this glass is having more fruit juice. Okay. And here it is less. Say children, less. Now let's see the next one. Now see inside this box. Okay. Inside these two boxes we are having picture of balls. Okay students. Now start counting. At first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many is here? 6 balls are here. Now go to the next box. Start counting. 1, 2, 3. So here we are having 3. Say children, which box is having less? Now say, listen the question. Which box is having less balls? Yes, 3. Very good. So 3 is less and 6 is more. Now you understand? If you find anything in quantity more, you have to say yes, it is more in numbers. If you find anything, any object, if the quantity is less, so you have to say this is less. Okay. Now see children, 6 is more and 3 is less. Okay. Let's learn more about more or less with the help of our term 2 textbook. So be ready children, take out your term 2 book. This is your term 2 book. See children, Sanjana, she is Sanjana and she is Harini again. Then there are more balloons in Sanjana's hand. Yes, let's count the Sanjana's balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4. And now count the Harini's balloon. 1, 2. So Sanjana is having more number of balloons, that is 4, and Harini is having less balloons, that is only 2. 4 is more and 2 is less. Now let's do some activity. Yes children, tick the more objects and cross the less object. So students, yes, start doing with me. Yes, start counting these ice creams. 1, 2, 3. Here it is having 3. And now count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So children, which is more? Yes, 6 is more. So you have to tick here in the box and cross this less object, less ice cream of first plate. Okay, let's see this picture. Which glass is having more? Yes, this one. So you just tick it here and less you just cross it. Understand? Now see the next one. This is the bottle of jam and this one, what you observe here students? Less. So you have to cross it here and this one is more. So tick it here. Okay. Now see these 2 jars. Yes, the water level is more. So you just tick it here and here the water level is less. So you just cross it here. Okay. Learning about comparison of more or less, let's do some activity also. So children, now I am going to show you some of the object which you can count and compare about more or less. So dear students, here I kept it for you some of the objects, and this one is 2 glasses, and now you count children. 1, 2. Here I am having 2 glass and this side, yes, only 1 glass. So 2 is more and 1 is less. Yes. Now see the next one. Yes, count all the chalks, pieces of chalks. 1, 2, 3, 4. You count children. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, here we are having 4 chalks. Now remember that. Okay. Now count this side. 1, 2. So here I am having 2 chalks. So children, 4 is more and 2 is less. Very good. Now see the next one once again. Yes, count it. 1, 2, 3. We are having 3 chalks and another side. 1, 2. Yes, 3 is more and 2 is less. Students, the question for your activity exercise is tick the more. Yes, here we are having the pictures of apples and orange. Now say children, you have to count the apples and the quantity of orange also. Now you observe carefully and count the apples. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Very good. Here we are having 5 apples and the orange, how many? One orange. So children, which is more? Apples are more. So you have to tick and select the picture of apples. Okay. This question, tick the less. Yes, I am repeating the question. Tick the less. So children, now see the picture carefully. I am having here 1, 2, 3 balloons. How many balloons? 3 balloons. And that side I am having only 1 balloon. So which one is less? Yes, come. Less means come. Which one is less? Yes, 1 is less. So you have to tick the picture of 1 balloon. Okay students, see children, if you see the objects are more, okay, you have to say this is more. And if you find in quantity very less, okay, in compared to other one, so you have to say less. Okay, so my dear students, do compare whatever you find at your home now and learn about today more and less. We are going to meet on the next day. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.